Okay, right here I have a very basic scene. If I run it, you'll see it's gonna spawn an enemy over here. It has, it's just a basic capsule. If I show you here, it's got the enemy tag, so we can differentiate from different objects that our Raycast is gonna hit. So what you want to do is get a bullet manager script. I just put it on an empty object here. So you want to make a reference to the player cam. You don't have to worry about this. This is just something else. So just all you need for the basic Raycasts bullets is the player cam. And what you can do then is first define a variable hit info. This is just going to store the data that we get from the Raycast. Next is, this is the actual Raycast, so the first argument is where it's going to originate, which is the player cam. Transform that position, get the XYZ, and then next up is the direction of the Raycast, which is going to be player cam.transform.forward. So with this, we can just get the vector 3 of the direction that the Raycast's going to travel in. And next, this is just, we use a keyword out, and then we insert the name of the variable where we want to store all of the Raycast information. So next up, we're just going to print the tag of the collider that the Raycast hit. And next up, we're going to check if the collider's tag is equal to enemy, which is going to destroy the collider, or the game object that the collider is connected to. So if we go ahead and we run this, just remember to have a tag on your enemy so you can know if it's if you need to destroy the game object or not. So here's the enemy. If I click on it, it disappears. If you go to the console, you'll see over here it printed enemy. If I click at the ground, it's not deleting the ground. It doesn't have any tags. When I click on the enemy, you'll see gone. When I click again, it's gone. When I click again, it's gone. It's saying untagged because what's happening is when I click on the enemy, the Raycast is my mouse is getting held down, so it's getting held down. So when I click, it's actually Raycasting more than one ray. So then it's hitting the ground behind the enemy. That's where you're getting that untagged. But otherwise, you can just you can use this Raycasting system. If you don't want to kill it instantly, you can just, if you have your damage function, you can do something like this. Obviously, it's gonna get game object, and you need to get something like get components. Then if you have like base enemy, you can just do like .health minus equals 10. So if you have all the other stuff set up, obviously I don't right now, but if you have the enemy script set up with the health and everything, then as stated here, then it should work if you don't want to kill it instantly. But this is just the basics behind Raycast bullets.